Hey guys, welcome back. So, if you've been sitting there staring at your Silhouette Cameo, wondering how on earth to connect it to your computer, you're definitely not alone. Seriously, so many beginners open up that box and they're just like, okay, now what? What do I even plug in? Where to even start? Trust me, it's way easier than you think. And I'll break it down step by step so you know exactly what to do. Alright, so let's not waste any time and get your Silhouette Cameo talking to your computer. To start with, unbox your Silhouette machine carefully. Remove all the outer wrapping and tapes. Next, open the blade housing cover inside the machine. Then, remove any tape from the internal area. Now, let's power it up. Connect the adapter to the cable and plug it into the machine. After that, connect it to the wall outlet. Once powered, connect the machine to your laptop. You can use either USB or Bluetooth. Moving ahead, open your browser and go to official Silhouette website. Use the link shown on the screen or the one printed in the box. On the Silhouette setup page, choose your preferred language. Click on Continue to proceed. Now, let's create your account. Click Create Account if you're new. Otherwise, simply click Sign In. On the account page, enter your details carefully. Check all boxes and click Create Account. After that, your account will be ready. Click the blue link here to sign in. Enter your email and password, then click Sign In. Once logged in, go to the Software tab, then click the Machine Setup button. To register your machine, fill in your address details and click Continue. Next, enter your Silhouette serial number from the back of the machine. Fill other details and click Continue. Now, your Cameo 4 should be detected. Click Register My Machine to move forward. You will see a registration success message. Click on Continue to Next Step. On the Setup Machine tab, review what's included. This shows the steps you've already completed. After that, open the Download and Install Software tab. Now, select the version for your operating system. Since I'm using Mac, I'll select Mac 64-bit, allow the download, and wait for it to finish. Once downloaded, open it from your Downloads folder. Drag the Silhouette icon into Applications. Next, double-click the Silhouette app in Applications. Follow the on-screen steps to complete installation. Finally, after registration, claim your free 1-month basic subscription. Click the store icon inside Silhouette Studio. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.